And this is a snake versus two cat. Imagine that if this cat were not around, imagine what would have happened, or where this snake would have been penetrated or hiding on. Might probably get someone injured without someone noticing. But look at the great work the cats do. They didn't even allow the snake to enter into the house from the backyard. And this, you can see, this place is where the toilet is located. That's where the toilet is located. That's the reason why you see on TV, and so people will be seeing snake inside their toilet from the house, simply because there is a leakage from the back, and the snake penetrated through the leakage and went inside to swim in it. And before you sit on your toilet pole, you just had to look, open it properly, look. If it is possible, try to flush it. Try to flush it before you sit on it. And you see the great work this boat cat did. Yeah, they already got it injured. They would take it off, just wash to the end, and make sure you share this so that other people can learn. And if you can keep a cat, you can get one. But I did not advise that you keep a cat. I don't advise it for you to keep a cat. But it's not necessary. I don't. Just keep your environment clean, keep your toilet sealed, and always make sure that you flush or look at your toilet pool before you sit on it. And it's too dangerous. And make sure your environment is well taken care of. Have your house fenced, and have the whole floor concrete, and yeah. It's trying to hide, but the cat will give it a chance. They will not allow it to succeed. No way. They will not at all. They will not at all. They won't give it a chance. They will make sure they tear it apart. Yeah. Making sure they tear it apart. I just had to bring this to your notice so you can make sure that things like this don't happen if you don't have a cat. Yes, they would tear it apart. They would tear it to pieces. They would tear it to pieces, yes. They would tear it to pieces. They will bring out his intestine. They will tear it into pieces. They will have it being devoured and scattered.